5 powerful digital marketing strategies. You need to know no one. Define your goals. Before starting digital marketing, determine what you want to achieve. Whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or sales, having clear goals will help you create a targeted strategy. No. 2. Identify your target audience. Understanding your target audience is key to creating effective digital marketing campaigns. Research their demographics, interests, and behavior to tailor your messaging and reach them through the right channels. No. 3. Create engaging content. Content is king in digital marketing. Create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience and is optimized for search engines. No. 4. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with your audience. Identify the platforms your target audience uses most and create a strategy to share your content and interact with your followers. No. 5. Measure your results. Monitor the performance of your digital marketing campaigns regularly to determine what's working and what's not. Use data analytics to refine your strategy and improve your results.